Good morning, students. Today I am going to start with new lesson, that is lesson number 10, halogen derivatives. On your textbook on page number 210, halogen derivatives. First of all, identify the functional group in the following compounds. There are 5 compounds are given in your textbook. First compound, it is known as benzyl bromide. So what is the functional group? Double bond. Double bond is the first functional group and Br, bromine, is the second functional group. Second example, it is known as freon. Dichloro, difluoro, methane. The functional group of this compound is 2-chlorine and 2-fluorine. Third example is hexachlorobenzene. In this compound, what is the functional group? Double bond, means alkene is the functional group and chlorine, 6 chlorine atoms are functional group. Fourth example, vestrosol. Vestrosol containing double bond and 3 chlorine. So double bond is the first functional group and 3 chlorine atoms are second functional group. And fifth example, hexachlorocyclohexane. Hexachlorocyclohexane containing only one functional group, that is 6 chlorine atoms, chlorine. Okay. Now, halogen derivatives are classified. Halogen derivatives of hydrocarbons and aromatic hydrocarbons, aliphatic hydrocarbons and aromatic hydrocarbons are defined as halogen derivatives of aliphatic hydrocarbons and aromatic hydrocarbons are defined as the replacement of one or more hydrogen atoms or aliphatic hydrocarbons or aromatic hydrocarbons by halogen atoms. It is known as halogen derivatives. The replacement of one or more hydrogen atoms of aliphatic or aromatic hydrocarbons by halogens, it is known as halogen derivatives of alkane. Halogen derivative of alkane or halogen derivative of aromatic compounds. Now, classification of these compounds. Classification of halogen derivatives. Halogen derivatives of hydrocarbons are classified mainly into two types, two ways. First, on the basis of hydrocarbons skeleton, to which halogen atoms is bonded to the halogen derivatives. So, halogen derivatives of aliphatic hydrocarbons or aromatic hydrocarbons are classified into haloalkanes, haloalkenes, haloalkynes or haloarenes. There are 4 types of classification on the basis of carbon skeleton. Haloalkanes, number 1, number 2, haloalkenes, number 3, haloalkynes, and number 4, haloarenes. Now, what is haloalkanes? Hydrogen atom of alkane is replaced by halogen. It is known as haloalkanes. Haloalkenes. Hydrogen atom of alkene is replaced by halogen. It is known as haloalkenes. Alkanes containing single bond, alkene containing double bond, and alkynes containing triple bond. So CH3 single bond CH2-X. So this compound containing halogen attached to singly bonded carbon. So it is haloalkanes. Haloalkenes, halogen atom attached to doubly bonded carbon. It is known as haloalkenes. And halogen atoms are attached to triply bonded carbon. It is known as haloalkynes. Generally examples are given there. And haloarenes, hydrogen atoms of aromatic compounds are replaced by halogen. It is known as haloarenes. Benzene, which is attached to any halogen like chlorine, bromine or iodine. Okay, this is the classification. Now, on the basis of number of halogen atoms, halogen derivatives are classified as monohalogen derivative of alkane, dihalogen derivatives of alkane, trihalogen and polyhalogen derivatives of alkane. What is monohalogen derivatives of alkane? Monohalogen derivatives of alkane or aromatic compound, it is defined as only one hydrogen atom of aliphatic or aromatic compound is replaced by halogen. It is known as monohalogen derivative of alkane or arene. Only one hydrogen atom is replaced by one halogen. It is monohalogen. Dihalogen, two hydrogen atoms are replaced by two halogen, it is known as dihalogen. And trihalogen, three hydrogen atoms are replaced by three halogen, it is known as trihalogen derivatives. Okay, so mono, di, tri. In mono only one X is there. X means halogen, Cl, Br or I. Second, in second halogen derivative, that is dihalogen, it containing two halogen, XX. Okay, XX, and aromatic ring also containing two halogen. Okay, and trihalogen atoms of alkane or aromatic compound, three hydrogen atoms are replaced by three halogens. So in the third example, it contains three halogen atoms, X halogen, X represents halogen. Okay, so this is classification on the basis of number of halogen atoms. Now classification of monohalogen compounds. Monohalogen compound means only one hydrogen atom is replaced by one halogen, it is known as monohalogen. Okay, so monohalogen derivatives are classified as, monohalogen derivatives are also known as alkyl halide or haloalkanes. Monohalogen derivatives are also known as alkyl halide or haloalkanes, and it is classified as primary alkyl halide, secondary alkyl halide, tertiary alkyl halide. What is primary alkyl halide? In monohalogen derivatives of alkane or aromatic compound, halogen atom is attached to, halogen atom is bonded to primary sp3 sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Alkyl halide, monohalogen derivatives in which halogen atom is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon. So there are three types of monohalogen: primary, secondary and tertiary. Monohalogen are also known as alkyl halide or haloalkanes. Primary alkyl halide, secondary alkyl halide, tertiary alkyl halide. What is primary alkyl halide? The alkyl halide in which halogen atom is bonded to primary sp3 hybridized carbon. Primary sp3 hybridized carbon, it is known as primary alkyl halide. And what is secondary alkyl halide? The alkyl halide in which halogen atom is attached to secondary sp3 hybridized carbon, it is known as secondary alkyl halide. And what is tertiary alkyl halide? The alkyl halide in which halogen atom is bonded to tertiary sp3 hybridized carbon, it is known as tertiary alkyl halide. Generally it is represented as primary R-CH2-X, secondary alkyl halide R-CH-R-X. Okay, it is a halogen atom is bonded to primary, secondary and tertiary. Tertiary alkyl halide R-C-R-X. So CH2 means primary carbon, CH means secondary carbon and C means tertiary carbon. Okay, so primary halide, secondary halide and tertiary halide. Okay, now allylic halide. Allylic halide आपण अल्कोहोलमध्ये पाहिलेलं होतं, प्रायमरी अल्कोहोल, सेकंडरी अल्कोहोल, टर्शियरी अल्कोहोल, allylic alcohol, benzylic alcohol, vinylic alcohol. तसंही ते similarly it can be classified as allylic halide. In allylic halide, halogen atom is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon next to carbon-carbon double bond. Halogen atom is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon next to carbon-carbon double bond. So there are three types of allylic halide: primary allylic halide, secondary allylic halide and tertiary allylic halide. What is primary allylic halide? The allylic halide, in this halide, halogen atom is bonded to primary sp3 hybridized carbon next to carbon-carbon double bond. Secondary allylic halide, it is defined as the halogen atom is bonded to secondary sp3 hybridized carbon next to carbon-carbon double bond. And tertiary allylic halide, it is defined as in which halogen atom is bonded to tertiary sp3 hybridized carbon next to carbon-carbon double bond. Only two examples are given for allylic halide: CH2 double bond CH, single bond CH2-X. Okay, and aromatic, the example of aromatic ring is aromatic ring containing one double bond and X is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon. Okay, now benzylic halide. Benzylic halide. In this halide, halogen atom is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon and next to aromatic ring. In benzylic halide, halogen atom is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon atom, which is further bonded to an aromatic ring. So there are three types of benzylic halide: primary benzylic halide, secondary benzylic halide and tertiary benzylic halide. Okay, so this is the classification of benzylic halide. Now vinylic halides. Vinylic halides. In vinylic halides, halogen atom is bonded to sp2 hybridized carbon atom of aliphatic carbon. In vinylic halide, halogen atom is bonded to sp2 hybridized carbon. sp2 hybridized means doubly bonded carbon. sp2 hybridized carbon atom of aliphatic aliphatic chain. Okay, so vinylic halide is a haloalkenes. Vinylic halide is a haloalkenes. Example, it is given, two examples are given. Okay, now haloalkyne. Haloalkyne, when halogen atom is bonded to a sp hybridized carbon atom, triply bonded carbon, halogen atom is bonded to triply bonded carbon, it is known as haloalkyne. Okay, CH triple bond C dash X. Okay, so this is haloalkyne. And aryl halide or haloarine, in aryl halide, halogen atom is directly bonded to sp2 hybridized carbon atom of aromatic ring. Halogen atom is directly bonded to aromatic ring. Aromatic ring, each carbon atom in aromatic rings are sp2 hybridized. So therefore, in aryl halide, halogen atom is directly bonded to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom of aromatic ring. Okay, so this is aryl halide or haloarenes. Okay, now one table is given for nomenclature, common name and IUPAC name. CH2Cl2 methylene chloride, it is dichloromethane IUPAC name. CH3-CH2Br ethyl bromide, bromoethane is the IUPAC name. Then so many examples are given. So alkyl halide are commonly halogen derivative of alkane are commonly known as alkyl halide and IUPAC name written as haloalkanes. Okay, so third example, CH3-CH-Cl-CH3, it is isopropyl chloride and the IUPAC name of isopropyl chloride is 2-chloropropane. Okay, second, fourth example is CH, which is attached to two methyl groups. So it can also be written as CH3-CH-CH3-CH2Br. So it is isobutyl bromide and IUPAC name 1-bromo-2-methyl propane, 1-bromo-2-methyl propane. Okay, so many examples are given. तो वो एक्झाम्पल आप लोग देखो, तुम्ही बघा ते एक्झाम्पल. ओके, टेबल दिलेला आहे, टेबल व्यवस्थित पाठ करता येईल. ओके, नाव nomenclature of halogen derivative. Nomenclature of halogen derivative, some examples are given. Use your brain power. Write IUPAC names of the following compound. So IUPAC name of first compound is 2-bromopropane. Second compound is 1-iodo-2-methyl propane. Third one is 1-chlorobutene, 1-chlorobutene. And third one is 1-bromobutene, butene. And fifth one is bromobenzene. And sixth one is 1,4-dibromobenzene, 1,4-dibromobenzene. Now, methods of preparation of alkyl halide. Methods of preparation of alkyl halide. There are so many methods for the preparation of alkyl halide. Okay, one more example is given in this yellow table. So in IUPAC system of nomenclature, does the functional group halogen appears a suffix as prefix? Halogen appears as a prefix because of the name of halogen, it is written initially like 1-bromo-2-methyl propane. So that's why halogen atom appears as a prefix. Okay, so this is the call you recall. Can you recall? So this is the question. Now, preparation of alkyl halide, methods of preparation of alkyl halide. First method, from preparation of alkyl halide from alcohol. अल्कोहोल लेसन मध्ये हे आपण पाहिलेलं आहे. सॉरी, अल्कोहोल लेसन मध्ये आपण हे पाहिलेलं आहे. वन्स जस्ट वेट, हा पेज गेलेला आहे तो. वेट. Here. Now preparation of alkyl halide from alcohol. So alcohol involves so many methods, in which first method is preparation of alkyl halide from alcohol by using halogen acid or hydrogen halide, HX. Hydrogen halides like HCl, HBr, HI alcohol मध्ये आपण पाहिलेला आहे. Okay, so this method involves reaction of alcohols with halogen acid, that is HX. First one, alcohol when treated with HX, that is suitable condition, any suitable condition. HCl requires anhydrous zinc chloride, HI requires heat, and HBr requires NaCl and H2SO4. Okay, so suitable condition. Alcohol when treated with HCl in presence of anhydrous zinc chloride, it produces alkyl chloride plus water. Alcohol when treated with HBr in presence of NaCl and H2SO4, it produces alkyl bromide. And alcohol when heated with HI, it produces alkyl iodide. Okay, so that is the first method. It is given alcohol when treated with HCl in presence of anhydrous zinc chloride, it produces alkyl chloride. That is the first method. HBr, alcohol when treated with HBr in presence of NaBr and H2SO4 and on heating, it produces alkyl bromide. And alcohol on heating with HI in presence of NaI and H3PO4, that is phosphoric acid, it produces alkyl iodide and water. Okay, so this is the first method of preparation of alkyl halide from alcohol using HCl, HBr or HI. Okay, now second method, by using phosphorus halides like phosphorus pentachloride, phosphorus trichloride, phosphorus tribromide, phosphorus triiodide, etc. Okay, so the method is when alcohol for phosphorus trihalide, the number of moles of alcohol required is 3 moles. When 3 moles of alcohol, when it is treated with phosphorus trihalide, it produces 3 moles of alkyl halide plus H3PO3. H3PO3 means phosphorus acid. And when, for example, alcohol when treated with phosphorus trichloride, phosphorus pentachloride, phosphorus pentachloride requires 1 mole of alcohol and phosphorus trihalide requires 3 moles of alcohol. When alcohol is treated with phosphorus pentachloride, it produces alkyl chloride plus HCl plus POCl3 and POCl3 it is known as phosphoryl chloride. Okay, so this is the second method of preparation of alkyl halide from alcohol using phosphorus halide. Okay, third one, by using thionyl chloride SOCl2. थायोनिल क्लोराइड या सगळ्या रिएक्शन आपण अल्कोहोलमध्ये पाहिलेल्या आहेत. बाय युजिंग थायोनिल क्लोराइड, त्या रिएक्शन बघा, अल्कोहोलमध्ये दिलेल्या सर्व रिएक्शन बघा, सगळ्या रिएक्शन टेक्स्टबुकमध्ये तुम्हाला एकही रिएक्शन दिलेली नाही आहे, सगळ्या जनरल रिएक्शन दिलेले आहेत. आणि या जनरल रिएक्शन तुम्हाला एग्जामला, ये जनरल रिएक्शन टेक्स्ट बुक में आपको दिए हैं, ऐसे रिएक्शन आपको बोर्ड में नहीं पूछेंगे. आपको मैंने जो अल्कोहल में रिएक्शन दिया है उस तरीके के रिएक्शन आपको पूछे जाएंगे. त्यामुळे अल्कोहलचे रिएक्शन बघा. So third one, by using thionyl chloride. Okay, so when thionyl chloride, alcohol when heated with thionyl chloride in presence of pyridine, primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol, when all these alcohols are heated with thionyl chloride in presence of pyridine, it produces alkyl chloride plus SO2, a sulfur dioxide gas and hydrogen chloride gas. So in this reaction, OH group is replaced by Cl and it produces alkyl chloride along with SO2 plus HCl. Okay, so reaction दिया यहाँ पर, can you recall? Methane on chlorination produces, propene on reaction with HCl it produces, and propene when reaction with HBr peroxide, this is Markovnikov's rule. Second reaction represents Markovnikov's rule, third reaction represents anti-Markovnikov's rule, and fourth reaction represents bromination of alkene. So bromination of alkene produces vicinal dihalide. So methane produces methyl chloride, dichloromethane, trichloromethane and tetrachloromethane. Propene second reaction, propene when reaction with HCl it produces 2-chloropropane, and third reaction, propene when reacted with HBr in presence of peroxide it produces 1-bromopropane, and fourth reaction, propene when treated with bromine in presence of carbon tetrachloride it produces 1,2-dichloropropane. Okay, so this is the method of preparation of alcohol from, method of preparation of alkyl halide from alcohol. Okay, so this is the today's part. Thank you.